what is the expected time? T expected time. So here TP optimistic times plus 4 TM most probable times, most likely times, and here it is the pessimistic times divided by 6. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 alternatives are given. You can search this formula, you will get 1 mark. This you will get 1 mark. This is from 2009 and same question, it has been repeated 2 to 3 times. So if you know this formula, you will get 1 mark. This is one thing. Then second, here's one problem is given. So this is the problems from 2009. Once again, 2009 is there. So we'll solve these problems. 2009 gate problems. Gate problem is there. Here activities given. And after this optimistic time is given, TO. Then most likely time is given, TM. Pessimistic time is given. So these 3 things it is given. So here activity 1 to 2. 1 to 2 activities there. So time is given 1, 2, 3. Then activity 1 to 3 is given 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. After that 1 to 4. Like this activity is given 3, 5, 7. So 3, 5, 7. Then 2 to 5. Activity 2 to 5, 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9. Then 3 to 5. 3 to 5, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Then 5 to 6. 5 to 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. And here 4 to 7. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. Then here 6, 7. 2, 3, 4. So once again I will check this. 1 to 2, 1 to 3. 1 to 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 1 to 4, 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. 2 to 5, 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9. 3 to 5, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 5 to 6, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4 to 7, 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. 6 to 7, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here 3 mark question is there. 2 mark for calculation of critical path. And here's the question is like this. A critical path. Critical path and durations. So this is one question. For these 2 marks will be there. And B will be there. What is the B? The standard deviation of the critical path. The standard deviations for critical path. Critical path. Maybe here 1 mark. So here 2 and 3 marks question will be there. In 2009, this is around 4 to 5 marks related to only PERT. CPM different mark is there. Assignment, transportation different, linear programming different. Maximum around 10 marks it is expected in your GATE exam. Maximum 10 marks related to this industrial engineering ORs. After that, production planning and controls. After that, your quality controls, statistical quality controls, and industrial engineering part, that is the inventory controls. Like this question will be there. So here, this is the problems from the GATE activities given to us. So let us, we have to make the network diagram and find out the critical path for this. Okay. So whether you would like to solve these questions, hello, whether you would like to solve these questions, hello, you would like to solve these questions? Answer is with me, or this answer is with me, this is answer is with me. Would you like to solve these questions? Hello? 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 Would you like to solve these questions? It is a very easy question, 3 marks. GATE question 2009. Or shall I start? Hello? Hello? Anybody from your side? Is it possible to solve by you or not? Or shall I proceed? Just give me response, otherwise I will continue this. Hello? Hello? No response at all. Huh? My sound is audible or not? Hello? My sound is audible? Yes. Then shall we go for solving this, or would you like to solve this questions, or shall I solve? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now I will continue. Again, you don't have that much confidence. You required a little bit practice for this. So what is our first step? First step, you have to make a network diagram. So you have to make network diagram starting from the first nodes. Starting from the first node. So 1 to 2 activities there. 1 to 2 activities there. So it will start from what? 1 to 2 activities are there. So 1 to 2 means here everybody will start from 1. Okay. So here 1 to 2. So here 1, 2, 3. So 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Starting from 1. So these three are ours. Correct. So let us, you can give the numbers for this also. As usual, you can give the numbers. So here 1 to 2, let us be consider this one 1 to 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 2, 3, 4. After this 2 to 5. 2 to 5. So here it is 2 to 5. 2 to 5 activities there. So here numbers will give 5. So this is ours. After that 3 to 5. 3 to 5. This 3 to 5 will be here. This is 3 to 5. 5 to 6. So it may be 5 to 6 here. 6, 5 to 6. 3 to 5, 5 to 6. 4 to 7. So 4 to 7. So 4 to 7. 7 is there not. So here we give 7. Okay. 4 to 7. Then 6 to 7. So 6 to 7 here. I will change little bit for orientation purpose. This will you 6 and 6 to 7 here. This is the activity. Correct. So this is the your network diagram. Say that 1 to 2. This is 1 to 2. Then 1 to 3, 1 to 3. 1 to 4, 1 to 4. 2 to 5, 2 to 5. 3 to 5, 3 to 5. 5 to 6, 5 to 6. 4 to 7, 4 to 7. 6 to 7, 6 to 7. Now, what is the next step? Up to here it is clear. What is the next step? What is the next step? What is the next step? Hello? What is the next step? Hello? What is the next step? Hello? What is the next step? Can you give the answer? What is the next step after this? Hello? What is the next step?
Sir, calculate mean.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Calculate the mean. So instead of here, I will make chart here. So here, mean and variations. So next part is our mean and variation. Mean and variance. Okay. So mean and variance as per our statistical part. How to calculate mean for this? So already we know this formula mean. This is equal to, what is this? T0 plus 4Tm plus Tp divided by 6. This is the formula for mean. So let us consider our first activity, this activity. So what is here T01? Here it is 2 and here it is the 3 for Tp. So here multiplication of the 4 numbers. So 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 divided by 6. How much here? 2. So here you can write 2. This is our first activity. Correct. So which is this 1 to 2. Correct. 1 to 2. Then second 1 to 3. So here TM is the 6 into 4. 6 into 4. 24. 24 plus 7. 31. 31 plus 5, 36. 36 divided by 6. How much? Divided by 6. How much? 6. Am I correct? Am I correct? 6 is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you tell me next calculation 1 by 4.
5.
1 by 4, 5. Then next 2 by 5. How much? 2 by 5 here. How much? 7 into 4. 28. 28
7.
plus 7. 2 to 5, 7. After this, 3 to 5.
4.
3 to 5, 4. Then after this, 5 to 6. How much?
5.
5. Then 4 to 7. How much?
6.
4, 6. And last one, that is 6 to 7. How much?
3.
3. Correct. So these are the mean times. Now this mean time you have to give on each activity. 1 to 2. This is the mean time. Here you can write 2. Here you can write 2. 1 to 2 activity. 1 to 3, 6. This is 1 to 3, 6. Then 1 to 4. 1 to 4. So 1 to 4, how much here? 5. Then 2 to 5. 2 to 5, 7. This is the mean time. And 3 to 5. 3 to 5, 4. Then 5 to 6. 5 to 6, 5. Then 4 to 7. 4 to 7, 6. And 6 to 7, this is the 3. So this mean times you have to give on each activity. Okay. You have to give this mean time on each activity. Now you have to find out the critical path. Our critical methods, similarly in PERT also you can use the same rules to find out the critical path. So you can make the square or rectangular on each node or each activity event. So this is called node or event. So initially, earliest starting time 0, latest completion time is 0 for one activity. Correct. Now, you have to find out the earliest start times for 1 to 2. How much here? This plus this. This plus earliest start time plus duration. How much here? 2. Correct. After this 3. This plus this 6. After this 4, this plus this 5. And next activity after 4, 5 is there. 5, here 2 activities are there. This plus this. This plus this. Which is the maximum, because in this side forward pass, maximum you have to consider. Backward pass, minimum you have to consider. So these two activity, which is the maximum that you have to decide. So here 6 plus 4, 10, and here 7 plus 2, 9. So 10 is maximum. So here you can write 10. Right. After this, you come to this. So 5 plus 6, how much? 11. Because this is our earliest start time plus duration 6, 11. Okay. After this,
Sir, first we have to calculate that 10 plus 5.
yes, yes, this is correct. So here 10 plus 5, 15. Sequence wise you have to do. After that, which is remaining here? 15 plus 3, 18. Correct. This is our earliest start times for each activity. Earliest start times for each activity. After this, you have to go for backward pass. Backward pass, minimum activity you have to consider, minimum time. So here it is a two activity. We are going in this side. So initially last this event or nodes, whatever earliest start time is there, same time will be there. Means earliest time start times and latest completion time is same for last and first. Correct. So here it is 18. 18. So which is the minimum that you have to decide? Two activities are there. So 18 minus 3, 15. Otherwise 18 minus 6, which is the minimum? Which is the minimum? Hello? So first 7 to 6. 7 to 6 first you have to go. Okay. So 7 to 6, how much here? 18 plus 3 here is 15. Then you come to 5. Correct? Come to 5. Here 15 minus 5, 10. Then here again two activities are there. So here is this one activity, this you have to select which is the minimum. Okay. So here 10 minus 4, 6, and 10 minus 1, 7, 3. Okay, you can select this one. So here it is a 6. Okay. Then after this you come to 4. Here 18 minus 6. How much here? 12. So like this you have to write the each event or node, the activity duration. Now,
Sir, second node is remaining.
this second, this one. So you can minus this. 10 minus 7, how much there? 3. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
3. Okay. Now you can see this. Earliest and latest both are equal. Both are equal. Means your critical path is like this way. So this is your critical path. So this is your critical path. So this is your critical path. Correct. Now find out the duration here. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. And 15 plus 3, 18. Correct. So our critical path we have decided and time is 18. So let us we see in our book answer is given whether it is correct or not. So here's in this problem, this is the answer is given critical path duration network 11, 14, 17, 18. So our answer is 18. So let us we check this 18 is correct or not. 37. Yes. So see that they have solved the problem like this way. This is a little bit critical. The EST and EFT is something they have written. But Our answer is 18 days. So this answer is 18 days. So if you solve this, you will get 2 marks. 2 marks will get in the GATE exam. Okay. So this is the durations. Now we have to go for next thing. What is the next thing? What is the next thing? Up to here it is clear. Anybody having any doubt? Okay. Now we have to calculate variance. So what is the formula for variance? Who will tell what is the formula for variance? Variance. Variance. What is the formula for variance? What is the formula for variance? Hello? What is formula for variance? Anybody can give the answers to me?
TP minus TO divided by 2 square.
TP, once again you have to repeat, TP minus
TO T0
TO
divided by 2 brackets.
divided by how much?
2.
2,
2.
not 2. How much there? TP minus T0 divided by how much? 2
6.
will not be there.
Sorry, 6.
6 and
6.
and what is there?
Whole square.
Square of this. Am I correct? Hello? Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This TP means your pessimistic time. TO means optimistic time divided by 6 bracket square. This is the variance. Okay. Now let us see this our example. What is TP here? 3. What is T0? 1. So 3 minus 1, 2 will be there. 2 divided by 6 bracket square. How much? You calculate. For activity 1.
0.11.
0.11. Correct. Then you have to go for 1 to 3. Activity 1 to 3. 7 minus 5, 2 divided by 6. Again, same thing will be there. Then 1 to 4. 1 to 4. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. 4. 4 divided by 6 bracket square. How much?
0.4.
Point? 0.44. Yes. 0.44. Okay. Now 2 to 5. 9 minus 5. 4. 4 divided by 6 bracket square. Same thing will be there. 3 to 5. 3 to 5. 6 minus 2. 4. 6 minus 2. 4. 4 divided by 6 bracket square. Same thing will be there. Am I correct or not? Hello? 3 to 5. Okay. Now 5 to 6. So here 6 is there. 6 minus 4. 2 divided by 6 bracket square. Same thing will be here. Then 4 to 7. 8 minus 4. 4 divided by 6 bracket square. Again same thing will be there. Then here last one. 4 minus 2 divided by 6 bracket square. Same thing will be there. Okay, you just check this value. You can put all this value in this formula. only in this, only you have to remember this and this formula and how to make these network diagrams. Otherwise, it is so simple. Correct? This is the variance. Okay. Now, we have to calculate the standard deviation for critical path. So, what is the formula for standard deviation? Standard deviation means sigma. Standard deviation, deviations. This is part of statistic. Standard deviation sigma dash. This is equal to root of variance. Root of variance. This is the formula for standard deviation calculation. Standard deviation sigma dash, this is equal to root of variance. Once again, this part will come in your industrial management and quality control. Statistical part is there. In this also you will get what is the variance, mode, mean, frequency. All these parts will come in the statistics. Okay. Now this standard deviation, root of variance. Now you have to find out critical activity. So which are the critical activity? 1 to 2. This is your critical activity. So you can consider this variance. 1 to 3. Sorry, 1 to 3. 2 is not there. 2 is not there. 1 to 3. Critical activity variance you have to consider only. 1 to 3. This 1 to 3. This is critical. So this is activity 1 to 3. Critical path activity. After that 3 to 5. 3 to 5. This activity. Correct. Then 5 to 6. 5 to 6. So this activity. After that 6 to 7. 6 to 7 last activity. Okay. So now whatever rounds are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0.11. After this 0.44. After this again 0.11. After this 0.11. 4 activity 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is the total of this critical activity variance? Because we have got 4 critical activity and 4 variance. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the value of this 4, 1, 1. So what is the total here? What is the total here? 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0.77, is it correct? 0.77, is it correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the 0.77, this is the variance.
Right side of board is not visible.
Now this variance you have to put in this formula. So what is the answer here? 0.77. What is the answer?
0.8.
Root of, hello?
0.8.
0.88. 0.88. Correct? So just we will check this. 0.88. This answer is there in our gate book or not? So here's the standard deviation of critical path. For A, this it is given 0.33. B, it is given 0.55. C, it is given 0.88. So your answer C is the correct answer or not? Just I will check, because alternative is there. So I will check this. Question number 38. This is the question number 38 from 2009. Question number 38. Question number 38. Yes. So our answer is correct. Here, so they have solved this problem by some other method, but our answer is correct. 0.88. 0.88. Correct. So if you solve these problems, you will get 3 marks, or in some paper they will give also 4 marks. Get 1 mark. This is valuable mark. Is that correct? And what is that? If you make this and make this, easily you will get this 1 mark. Correct. So this is the problems from GATE exam 2009. So anybody having any doubt here? Hello? Hello? Okay, up to here it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now I will search next questions from the one of the GATE papers, and then we'll solve this. Questions. GATE 2006. So I have got one question from GATE 2006. 3, 4. Okay. So I have got one more question. This is from GATE 2006. So this is the problems we'll solve this from GATE 2006. So here GATE 2006 problems we'll solve. Now this question is there, standard for linked answers, question 54 and 55. So 2006 question numbers 54 and 55. So 4 mark question is there. So we'll solve this. Correct. So here task. Task means activity. Then predecessor. So here predecessor. Predecessor means backside activity, back activity. Expected task time in the days. Expected task time, days. Variance of the task time. So here variance is given. Variance is given. Okay. So task they have given A, B, C, D, E and F. So for A, there is no any predecessor, means this is the starting activity. After that, A is given. After that, B, C, and D, E. D is given. Expected task. Expected task for means this is actually directly mean they have given 30, 40, 60, 25, 45, 20. Variance they have given 25, 64, 81, 9, 36, and 9. So what is the questions here? This standards for linked questions 54 and 55 we consider PERT network for projects involving 6 tasks. Where 6 tasks are there. Task means activity. Then 54 question, the expected completion time of the project means total duration, and standard deviation of the critical, just like our previous problem. Now, whether you would like to solve this, just like our previous problem. Hello, would you like to solve this? Anybody from your side? Hello, would you like to solve this question?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay, you solve. How much time you will take? Within the 10 minutes, is it possible? Solve. Everybody has to solve this. Okay, I am here. So if anybody will commit mistake, I will guide you. Now you try to solve this question. This is the GATE questions. 4-mark questions is there, 4 marks. So already you can develop the network diagram as per our previous problem. Expected times means mean time is given. Correct. So only you have to find out the critical path and total time. And variance, root of the variance which is related to critical activity. Solve this. 10 minutes time will be there. Exactly, I will ask this you at 3:30. Start now. 3:30 I will ask answer to you. Similar type of questions always be in your GATE exams. Okay. Now, if you expert in this, easily you will get 2 to 3 marks, maximum 4 marks on PERT. And now, this year's, as per the rule made by the government, you are allowed to appear for GATE exam also. So 10th September onwards, there is a form filling process for your GATE exam. Form filling process will going to start after or 10th onwards, September 2020. So everybody has to go for GATE this year. So anybody, so that you will get the particular experience, and next year again you have to give this GATE exam. and out of these 2 years, which gate score is the maximum. On that basis, you have to apply for the public sector undertaking or NIT or IIT. Correct. So because your gate score is valid for 3 years. Okay. So this year you can apply for gate exam. So last semesters, I think in month of May, April, June, I have taken that manufacturing process related parts, tool engineering part, merchant circle. So on that also maximum 10 to 15 marks will be there. There is also maximum 10 marks. Is it correct? If you go on counting like this, you will cross the cutoff of the mechanical engineering. Correct. But if you have full confidence, only you have to solve that question, because there is a negative marking is there. Or
Yes, sir.
so what is the answer?
Sir, critical path is uh,
How
A,
much
C,
critical?
E, F. 155.
Yes, correct. So your answer is correct. ACF 1 1.
55.
Yes, yes. You will get 2 marks. You will pass gate exam this year also. Now, what is the variance? Next, what is the standard deviation?
12.28.
Huh? 12 point. So here so the answer is given different. Shall I read the answer? Hello? The answer is given like this. Are you listening? No? Hello?
Yes, sir.
First answer is square root of 238. Second answer, square root of 200. Third answer, square root of 155. Last answer is square root of 151. Out of this, which is the
Sir,
correct
D option. Square root of 151.
Yes.
151.
So yes, correct. So 151. This is the standard deviations. So if you get answer, you will get the 4 marks. So this is the easy task. This is the easy task. Like this questions, and there is no change. This format will remain same. There is no change at all. Like this question will be there, either this, or sometimes they will going to ask about the critical activity, or they will going to ask some expected time. But your this procedure of solving these problems remains same. The expected at times you have to calculate by using given formula. Variance you have to calculate by using given formula. Standard deviation, root of variations. Only variations you have to get for only critical activity. Sometimes this variance is not given. That don't calculate variations of all. Once you solve the this network diagrams, once you decide that critical path, only that much variations you have to calculate. Not necessary to calculate all variations. Correct? Because the time is valuable in your gate exam. Okay. So this is about today's sessions. Now day after tomorrow. Tomorrow is the holidays. Day after tomorrow, we'll go for some gate related problems on critical path, CPM related, or if I will get any little bit different problems in first, that will also solve. Some problems from CPM also will solve day after tomorrow. Okay. So we'll stop here. Our time is, I think, over. We'll stop here. Okay. Thank you.